Tired of wobbly ironing boards and endless wrinkles? It's time to upgrade your ironing game. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best ironing boards that combine stability, comfort, and smart design to make ironing faster and easier than ever. Whether you want a compact board for small spaces or a luxury one built to last, stay tuned till the end to find your perfect match. Number 1. Bartnelli by Rorets Ironing Board. If you're tired of wobbly ironing boards that shake every time you press your iron, then the Bartnelli by Rorets Ironing Board is a total game changer. European Union expertly crafted in Europe by Rorets, a trusted Swedish brand with over 80 years of experience, this ironing board blends durability, comfort, and quality like no other. Built to last, it comes with 4 sturdy, non-skid steel legs that stay perfectly stable, even during heavy ironing sessions. The protective foot covers also keep your floor scratch-free. What really makes it stand out is its 4-layer heat-resistant cover pad, a blend of foam, felt, and cotton that lets your clothes glide smoothly while preventing fabric burns or sticking. Plus, the metal mesh top allows steam to pass through evenly for a crisp finish every time. You can easily adjust the height from 29 to 36 inches, making it comfortable whether you prefer standing or sitting. And when you're done, it folds flat to just 2 inches wide, perfect for compact storage. Pros: sturdy European build, smooth heat-resistant surface, adjustable height. Con: slightly heavier than basic boards due to the solid steel frame. Number 2. BKTD Heat-Resistant Cover Iron Board. If you're looking for an ironing board that's strong, stylish, and space-saving, the BKTD Heat-Resistant Cover Iron Board ticks all the boxes. This board is built on a sturdy metal frame with non-slip legs, ensuring perfect stability while you iron, no wobbling, no shaking, just smooth, effortless pressing. One of the best parts? Its foldable design makes storage super easy. You can tuck it behind a door, slide it beside a cabinet, or hang it using an ironing board holder, a true lifesaver for smaller spaces. The premium steam iron rest area is another great touch, letting your iron cool safely while you take a quick break without worrying about heat marks or burns. The 100% heat-resistant cover is both washable and reusable, keeping your board looking fresh for years. You can even switch it up with a colorful cover to match your home style. Measuring 13 by 34 by 53 inches when opened and weighing only 10 pounds, it's lightweight yet built to last. Pros: solid metal frame, easy foldable storage, washable heat-resistant cover. Con: the iron rest area might feel small for oversized steam irons. Number 3. Bartnelli Pro Luxury Ironing Board. Say goodbye to shaky, frustrating ironing boards forever. The Bartnelli Pro Luxury Ironing Board redefines what premium quality feels like. Expertly crafted in the EU, this board delivers unmatched stability and sturdiness, giving you that rock-solid confidence every time you press. No more wobbles, no more struggles, just smooth, dependable performance built to last for years. The thick 100% cotton cover, supported by resilient foam, lets your iron glide effortlessly across any fabric without snagging or sticking. Your clothes come out crisp, professional, and wrinkle-free, all while saving you time and effort. This board also takes convenience to a new level with its iron rest shelf, hanging rack, and washable pad, all designed to make your ironing routine efficient and organized. Adjust the height to your comfort and fold it easily when done. It locks securely for compact storage. With a spacious 51x19-inch surface and a 1-year warranty, the Bartnelli Pro is built for those who value both luxury and practicality. Pros: exceptional European build, large ironing surface, smart all-in-one features. Con: premium quality comes with a slightly higher price tag. Number 4. Deluxe Ironing Board with Heat-Resistant. If you're looking for a balance of style, safety, and performance, the Deluxe Ironing Board with heat-resistant cover is a fantastic choice for everyday ironing. Designed with high-quality, heat-resistant materials, this board easily handles the pressure and temperature of regular ironing without warping or damage. Its smooth, wide surface ensures your clothes glide perfectly for a clean, wrinkle-free finish every time. Featuring a steel mesh top measuring 13 inches by 43 inches, it allows steam to pass through efficiently for faster, more even results. The non-skid feet keep it steady while also protecting your floors. You can even adjust it to 7 different height levels, 29 inch or 35, giving you complete comfort whether standing or sitting on the sofa. At just 10.5 pounds, this board is lightweight, compact, and easy to store. It folds flat to hang behind a door or fit neatly on a board holder. The iron rest with silicone pads keeps your iron stable and cools it safely between uses. Pros: heat-resistant pad, adjustable height, lightweight and compact design. Con: the ironing surface may feel slightly narrow for large garments like curtains or bedsheets. Number 5. Caius Compact and Space Saver Ironing Board. If you're short on space but don't want to compromise on quality, the Caius Compact and Space Saver Ironing Board is exactly what you need. Built with a strong, stable structure, it offers a rock-solid ironing surface that won't wobble or slip, thanks to its anti-skid feet that keep everything firmly in place. The foldable design makes it a dream for small laundry rooms, apartments, or dorms. Simply fold it down and store it behind a door or under a bed when you're done. Plus, with 7 adjustable height levels, 28 to 35 inches, you can tailor it perfectly to your comfort, no more back pain or awkward bending. Its extra-wide 43x13-inch panel provides plenty of room to handle everything from shirts to curtains, making ironing faster and more efficient. The ultra-thick pure cotton cover features a heat-reflective function, so instead of absorbing heat, it bounces it back, giving you quicker, wrinkle-free results with every glide. Compact, durable, and user-friendly, the Caius board is perfect for modern homes. Pros: space-saving design, heat-reflective cotton cover, adjustable height options. Con: lacks an iron rest, which some users may prefer for convenience.